guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, the other day we were talking to our friend who owns the Piccolo Pizzeria here in Torrita di Siena, and he says, oh, I have a house to sell. And we're like, okay, well, let's have a look. And I'll tell you something, we saw this house and it's absolutely unbelievable. The value in this house is crazy. It is a country house. It's located in the hills of Sinalunga. Very beautiful area. It's got land, it's got olive trees, and the house is beautiful on the inside, and the price is just unbelievable. He wants to sell it. He wants to sell it relatively quickly, and the price is reflected in that. So take a look, you guys, and look around. I mean, if you don't believe me, go on Idealist and start checking what these houses go for when they're all done up, and even when they're in a rough state, and you'll see that this is a house of fabulous value here in Tuscany.